This is Storm Team 8 meteorologist Julie Phillips. We do want to keep you updated. A tornado warning has just been issued for southern Pinellas County. We do have a potential water spout right now that could move onshore near the Pinellas Park area close to St. Petersburg. So where you see this red polygon right here, southern Pinellas County, which does include St. Pete, north, we are looking at a tornado warning until 2:30 this afternoon. The radar indicating some rotation within the storms rolling through. Here's a long line you can see heading into the Tampa Bay area. Could see some isolated severe storms as well. But right now, what we're most worried about is that area moving into Pinellas County. That's why the tornado warning has been issued from the National Weather Service. You can see some very heavy rainfall moving in. The potential to be seeing a water spout right now. This is all moving towards the northeast at 30 miles per hour. And we're going to keep that tornado warning in effect until 2:30, so at least for the next 15 minutes, with that potential to see a water spout move onshore. Again, it's located near the Pinellas Park area, so if you're near Pinellas Park, St. Pete, we do have that potential right now. You can see as we head south through Manatee and Sarasota County, still some heavy rain there, but no warnings. A severe thunderstorm watch, though, in effect for all of us through 8 p.m. this evening. Here's a look at that relative velocity. You can see right now the greens and the red. This is the wind shear that we're looking at. And we see the coupling of some red and green. This indicates the potential that we could be seeing some rotation, making it all the way potentially even to the ground, or the water in this case. So right now you can see as we head over to the northeast, we are looking, again, just near the Pinellas Park area, near St. Pete. We are looking potential to be seeing some rotation there, which is why a tornado warning has been issued until 2:30 p.m. this afternoon. So taking a step back, all of the Tampa Bay area is under that severe thunderstorm watch until 8 p.m., but the tornado warning itself in effect until 2:30 this afternoon, again, because we are looking at the potential to see a water spout coming on shore near the Pinellas Park area heading towards St. Pete. So here's this whole line and this whole system that we're watching. We've been watching it. It's been very slow moving over the last couple of hours. We've been telling you about it, but it is finally here. Whenever we do have these strong to severe storms that are rolling onshore, there's always that potential that we could be seeing, again, some isolated water spouts or that isolated brief tornado. So right now what we're narrowing in on is, again, southern Pinellas County. If you do live in the Pinellas Park area, St. Pete area, you do want to take cover, again, because you are under that tornado warning until 2:30. That's just the next 15 minutes or so. If you're thinking of heading out now and you're in that area, not a good idea. Just get on the lowest level of your house, hang in there until that storm does go ahead and move through. So let's take another look at the relative velocity in this area. As it does roll through right now, things not looking quite as impressive as they were, but a little bit of a couplet right there you can see. And we're going to go ahead, I'm going to go over and play with the radar some so we can take a closer look in at where we could potentially be seeing some of that rotation in this storm. And where the rotation is where we're looking at some wind shear, and that's where we could be seeing the potential to see a water spout. So the good indication of the water spout that was north of the circulation was moving over the skyway. Some tight rotation is near the Pinellas Point, about to move back over the bay. So that is some good news. At least now it'll potentially be moving back over the water for a little bit and hopefully will potentially weaken. So let's take a look at, again, the entire area under that severe thunderstorm watch until 8 p.m. this evening. So if you do live in the Tampa Bay area, do be prepared. We could see some strong to severe storms this afternoon and into this evening. But right now, what we are most concerned about is that tornado warning, and we do have some good news. It has just been canceled from the National Weather Service. So we're going to keep that severe thunderstorm watch in effect until 8 p.m. this afternoon because of this strong line of storms rolling into the area. But the good news is that just came in from the National Weather Service. That tornado warning has now been canceled, which is why some of that relative velocity in that shear is a little tough to find because a lot of it had disappeared with these storms rolling through. Could still see some strong winds today, the potential to see another isolated spin up. Of course, heavy rainfall always a concern. We do have these storms rolling through. If anything changes, we'll keep you up to date. But now let's go ahead and get back to your regular programming as that tornado warning for Pinellas County has been canceled.